Welcome, and follow me is a REDBEAT E3, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and one of those should be a screen recorder toggle, which is visible for me right here in the corner. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. It will bring up this pop-up letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded, and also if the touches will be recorded on the screen as a semi-transparent gray dot. I'm not going to enable either one of those, so I'm just going to select Start. This will give me a 3-second countdown and then begin recording with this absolutely annoying sound. In any case, from now on, whatever I do will be recorded by the device. There is a little bit of a limitation. Some applications will use DRM, and that will block the screen recorder, but for the most part, you should be able to record most applications without much of a problem. Now, once you're done recording, you can just pull down your notifications once more and select Stop. This will then give you another obnoxious sound and save the recording to your Photos application. Now, in Photos, you might want to navigate to Collections, and in Collections, you'll find an album called Movies, in which we have our screen recording. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.